Last month, Hurricane Ida flooded thousands of New Yorkers' basements and killed about 11 people, most of which were living in basement dwellings. Since rent in New York City is so high, a lot of people resort to living in basements for cheaper rents, which, as we witnessed, could cost people their lives. Most basement apartments are illegal. Here are the things that are needed for an apartment to be considered a legal dwelling in a single family home with a basement. The ceiling heights need to be at least 7 feet tall. In addition, the walls have to meet the HPD requirements and be damp-proof or waterproof. And only family is supposed to live there. It's not supposed to be rented out as boarding. Every room has to have a window, and the windows must be above 6 inches from the ground. Then the Department of Buildings has to approve the basement space, and they look at a bunch of set of codes on the housing maintenance code. So it could be a number of several factors on them approving or disapproving the apartment fit for dwelling. In 2018, a pilot program was launched in East New York to help homeowners convert their basement into legal dwellings. However, due to the pandemic, a lot of budget cuts has slowed this program down. But these areas are the ones that need it most, as affordable housing is a big issue in our city. It is yet to be seen if further enforcement of illegal basements will happen, especially with the new administration coming in. But the city is talking about having mandatory evacuations in the future for storms like the ones we witnessed this summer. If you have any questions about legal dwelling basements, or if your basement can be converted, definitely feel free to reach out. As always, I'm here to help.